Here I have VIVO IQOO Z5X, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button hotspot. So by tapping on it once, you can switch your hotspot. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change its name here. You can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. You can change security protocol. You can change its password. You can set up one-time mobile data usage limit. You can set it to turn off automatically when no devices are connected. And you can also extend its compatibility. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.